Okay, people, how to use texture coordinate projection, because in viewport my texture isn't visible. But today I will show you how to use texture, how to switch between projection. You can choose our texture. I will have to rename this. I don't know what this is to do with, because I couldn't find online documentation about this, online info. I have the documentation, but it doesn't tell what that option is for. This is to do with unwrapping texture. Okay, I did a projection because sometimes when it's unfold duplicate texture. Wait a minute. We have unwrap texture, but what we can do? Select line cut. We have selected line cut, but what I want to do? Make sure this has selection, otherwise unfold will not be accessible. Select line cut. We can add new edges. Add it to line cut. When you add it to line cut, later on you will be able to remember selection. Set from current edges, unfold and pack. You see nothing. That means we have to get rid of all the projection. This is our new projection. I hope that I was clear enough for you. Sometimes you may get confused about texture projection. In the past, I struggled a lot to understand how UV unwrapping works in Softimage application. We will have to use Gizmo in center. Okay. My mouse button, when you hold the middle mouse button and you go right by your mouse, you scale upwards. The same when you hold right mouse button and you go right, you scale to the right.